Low spreadsheet opens the successful way. So those who are trading using the broker that I'm using as of now know that if you have the broker who is providing lowest spreadsheets ever, which is 1 pip or below, you have the greatest chances of winning your trades. 90% of those traders who are using the broker that I'm using now, if they are not greedy, they have positive figures. So I want to show you something. If you use the 1:3,000 leverage on this $50 account, you can open very bigger lot sizes. Let me show you. Let me go to EURUSD chart. Let me look for EURUSD and then open account, then open trades. Yes, this is EURUSD. This is the chart. Let me go to M30. It is going up, but it will go down. So let me try $5 first. $5 lot size and click sell. Sell. Not enough man. Let me go for $4. Not enough man. $3. Not enough man. $2. Not enough man. Dollar. Done. Let me quickly go to this. You can see it started at around $7. $1 lot size and started at minus $7. And this is $50 account. Is your broker allowing you to do this? Other brokers, if you open $1 lot, you can start at around minus $200. But this one from minus $7. And this account is still alive. You can wait for it and it can go to profit. So you are limiting yourself, guys. During news time, we make a lot of money because we are able to open bigger lot sizes, like $1. So if it moves with 200 pips, it means I've got a lot of money. So it's up to you to grab this broker or not to grab it. When you want to trade gold, the Zhao USD, with only $1, you can open 0.01 lot size on gold. On gold, you can open 0.01 with only $1 capital. You are able to do so. So it's not late. Go to the description section below this video. Click the link available there. Open your account. Deposit. Start trading now. For deposits, there's no need for verification, but verification is required when you want to withdraw your funds. You verify once and for all. Thank you very much. Good time. Goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe.